In this video, I want to cover some small updates made to the user profile, and specifically the user delegates part of the user profile page. And this was updated as part of version 4.4 of our ESS portal application. So let's go to the user profile page and let me show you what I'm talking about. So this manage delegates section, this looks the same and kind of acts the same as it did in the past, but it's basically been adjusted. So let me show you the widget behind here first of all. So the big change here is that you'll see this is basically the section for delegate widgets is now a delegate widget. It's basically a separate widget that's being called EVG user delegates. All the functionality of that to open up the widget modal, make edits, add new has been basically relocated to this new user delegates widget. And a lot of the functionality has been adjusted so that instead of writing updates to the delegates through a REST API endpoint, it's now, you'll see, kind of the client script is now working with the server script to do a validation of dates, to create new delegates, update the delegates, delete delegate references, and such. And so a few things have been updated to make it work a little cleaner. So one, now you'll see kind of a little bit of a cleaner page to add a new delegate, pick from your active list of individuals. You'll also see that if I choose things like putting an invalid date in here, it'll highlight that. All right, if I choose a date where the from date is before the to date, you'll see it comes back with validation errors. If I choose the to date that's in the past, say 2016 for example, and I do 2015, you'll see I get some validations that shouldn't be in the past. They're doing some tests and things to make sure this is clean. You'll also see that as I went into a new one here, it will default kind of the dates and the current date to 2 years from now to kind of act like it does in the native new UI. And the rest of the behavior is kind of the same. As I add a new delegate, it'll add this to my list. I can go click on this, make edits to the dates if need be, save those, and ultimately delete the delegate if I don't want that delegate anymore. So that covers what I wanted to show you as far as the update to the user delegate section of the page. Should fix some of the date validation issues we had in the past, but also kind of decouple the delegation activities into its own separate widget that can be separately managed and tracked. Hope this was helpful. Thank you.